Will it blend? That is the question. That is the question. That is the question. Will it blend? That is the question. That is the question. Will it blend? March Madness is almost here. My favorite team is as red, white, and blue as America, the Harlem Globetrotters. Hey, Uncle Floyd, can you imagine shooting hoops with the Harlem Globetrotters? That was amazing. They can outdunk me, but can they outblend me? That is the question. Here's a special blend for the team that has all the shots.
Yeah, boo. Dunk one. That was pretty. Finger roll. Oh, like that, man. A little bit of butter. What you got on the floor?
Don't forget the whistle.
Let's press the buzzer. Woo! Globetrotter smoke. Am I dreaming this?
No, let's see the work.
Oh no!
Gotcha.